Hello, my name is Prasanna Fininkateish. I work for Manage Eigine, a division of Zoho Corporation. I head Middle East and North Africa business.
How are you, Balan?
I am very good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. I need to tell you, what about the vision for Imagine already shared in Jitex 2023?
Okay, Jitex is a very important event for us. We've been participating in Jitex for the last 17 plus years. This is a very crucial event for us across Middle East and North Africa. And our key focus this year is introducing NGAV. It's a next generation antivirus. So we have unified endpoint management as a product. Now with the antivirus being included within the platform or within the product, now we are talking about endpoint protection. So from management, we are moving to protection.
Yes. What is the new solution that is already published in Jitex?
This is exactly what we spoke about, which is next generation antivirus. And we also have Identity 360, which is a new product that is introduced within the identity and access management portfolio of Manage Eigine.
Yes. As you know, AI, it is very important for any solution you need it to help the company. Can you tell me the strategy for use AI in your solution?
Definitely. So today, the concept of artificial intelligence, the phase in which the digital transformation is going on, such as countries like Egypt, it is going through a pinnacle of digital transformation. I have seen myself for the last 6-7 years of the kind of transformation that Egypt is going through. So AI is playing a very crucial role. Manage Eigine understands the value and the demand that it creates. So every one of the Manage Eigine product, let's take one of the key product of Manage Eigine, which is Service Desk Plus. We have Zia. This is a chat bot which is which uses the AI technology, and we are trying to bring that across all of the Manage Eigine portfolio during the coming years. So AI is going to play a crucial role, and Manage Eigine is already committed on that for the future.
Yeah. As you know, every country already have a special needs. So how can manage these needs for especially in Egypt?
All right. So Egypt is a very unique market when it comes to the entire Middle East and North Africa, because the tech talent is at the peak. So you have all of the countries, and then you have Egypt, where they are very good when it comes to understanding of technology. So it is like the demands of Egypt is always on a very matured level. So the expectations from our customers is very strong. Like we are talking about cyber security, we've been talking about AI, and all of these are demanded by our customer who's been using Manage Eigine. So our Egyptian customers drive our roadmap for this market and for Manage Eigine.
Yeah. When we speak about the talent for human resource, can you tell me the vision for Imagine for training the people, especially in university, in Egypt or in Middle East?
Oh, that is a fantastic question, because Manage Eigine is basically focusing on that today. We have a huge ecosystem for the Middle East market in Saudi Arabia, where we have about 150 plus employees of our partners who are catering not just for Egypt, but for countries like Saudi, Oman, Kuwait, etc. So there is already a huge number of Manage Eigine engineers who are there in Egypt. But coming back to your very specific question about Manage Eigine's plan, see, our vision is that we want to collaborate with the universities in Egypt to talk about Manage Eigine in their syllabus, because that is one way of Manage Eigine getting very close to the market. We are also keenly looking forward to work with universities where we can talk about Manage Eigine. We are also actually looking out for, right now we are in the lookout for picking up people, interns from the universities. So that discussion has been going on. It is very early for us to commit right now, but the vision is very clearly there. We want to take people from Egypt and basically get ourselves in the universities.
Everybody already say about digitalization and how can go to digitalization. So, in your opinion, what is the main challenge for digitalization in the market for Middle East and especially in Egypt?
Well, the challenge is not directly oriented towards digital transformation always, because I'll tell you what, we have the products. The Egyptian people, they already have enough knowledge towards what to be done, what to be achieved. Now, the challenge, not as I said, it's not always on the digital transformation or application of it. The challenges also come in other way. I am talking about the current economic challenges that we have, etc. So I think today that is the major problem that we have in the market. So digital transformation as such, as I said, we are very actively seeing digital transformation happening in Egypt. People basically want to transform much faster than we imagine. So Egypt is leading the digital transformation game as we see it. But the implementation of how it can happen is basically on the economics that gets involved.
Yes. My last question, what about your expectation for Middle East and especially in Egypt?
Alright, so Middle East has been a very promising market for Manage Engine for several years. Even now, we are very clear about our vision, our commitment towards the market. As you can see, we have a very big booth in Jitex this year. Similarly, we also have a pretty big booth in Cairo ICT. This is a very important event in Egypt. And I have been myself participating for the last 8 years. This will be my 9th year. I hope to be there, inshallah. And we are very committed to all the local events. We want to do more events in Egypt.
We media sponsor for Jitex Cairo ICT.
It would be my pleasure to meet you in Cairo ICT.
Yeah, must meet you.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
And on top of it, our vision, we have been growing at 35% year on year in Egypt. We want to continue the same growth even this year. We do have some challenges as we spoke about, but I think Egypt is a very resilient market. So, and we have some pretty good partners who are in Egypt. So we are very committed to the same growth for 2023 and for the future also.
I hope I can see you again in Egypt
Absolutely,
very fast.
inshallah.
Thank you.
Thank you.